Hey everyone, I'm Matt Borelli for T.TV. This is the 14th annual CanFARS Bloor Street Entertains. CanFAR, of course, standing for the Canadian Foundation for AIDS Research. Many of Bloor Yorkville's high-end stores, museums, galleries, they all closed down, turned into elegant dining rooms where dinner is served for more than 800 people by some of Toronto's top chefs. I am here with Kathy Asimovic, who is the Senior PR Manager for Aldo. Kathy, how are you?
Very well, thank you.
Good. Your store looks beautiful right now. You guys are holding an event tonight for Bloor Street Entertains. How did Aldo get involved with this event?
Well, actually, Aldo's been a big supporter in the fight against AIDS back since 1985, before it was really kind of something that people were behind, and it became something that the fashion community really got behind. So we've been sponsoring and supporting CanFAR since back then, and we've been a part of Bloor Street Entertains, but this is the first time that we've turned our store into one of the Bloor Street venues, so we're really, really excited.
All right, I am here with Nicole Holness, MTV VJ, as well as recording artist. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, good. So you're part of CanFAR's Bloor Street Entertainment here at Aldo tonight. You're involved with this charity work, and how important is philanthropy to you, and just backing up charity work?
You know what? Charity work, I feel, is everybody's sort of responsibility to do, especially if you're in a place in your life and you're able to help somebody out. I really do believe that it's everybody's responsibility on this earth to pay it forward, to give back, to do what you can to help out somebody else, or else, you know, the reason for existing isn't necessary. Do you know what I mean? I just actually learned about CanFAR, just reading the book, and how huge it was. I had no idea at all. So this is a really interesting thing for me to see. And just walking down Bloor Street, how many stores and how many companies are actually taking part in this is huge, to raise millions and millions of dollars to help people out. It's really cool.
Well, I read up too that 3.8 million has been raised since 1996. So how does that affect you? What does that make you feel when you know that we've raised that much money and we're this close almost to finding a cure?
It means that we're moving forward and that we're not giving up.
So I am here with Nad Brown, who's an actress on CBC's Sophie. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. How are you?
Good, thank you. So everyone's getting ready to sit down tonight for CanFAR's dinner here at Bloor Street Entertains Aldo store.
Yeah.
What's philanthropy mean to you, and why is it so important to get behind something like the Canadian Foundation for AIDS Research?
Well, there's a lot of different efforts that people are involved with. This one is for Canada, which is great. And I have friends who have been living alive and well with HIV for a long time, thanks to great medications and much thanks to CanFAR's research, so it definitely means a lot.
So I'm here with Greta Constantine designers Stephen Wong and Kirk Pickersgill. How are you guys doing?
Oh, awesome. Thank you.
Talk to us about philanthropy for you and how important AIDS research is, particularly for you guys.
Oh my God.
Oh my God, there's so much we can go on about.
Yeah. Well, particularly being in the fashion industry, there's been such a huge impact that AIDS and HIV is left within the fashion industry. You know, just speaking about our own industry, it's widespread throughout everywhere. But it's the kind of thing where if you can do something, why not do something about it?
As much as we're passionate about fashion, I think this is a cause that we're passionate about too.
Since 1996, Bloor Street Entertains has raised over $3.8 million, and that number just keeps on growing. For Toronto Lifestyle on the Dot, T.TV, I'm Matt Borelli.